Hello, welcome to our tutorial. In this tutorial, I am discussing about the for loop. The for statement provides a compact way to iterate over a range of values. Programmers often refer to it as the for loop because of the way in which it repeatedly loops until a particular condition is satisfied. The general form of the for statement can be expressed as follows. Here you can see that our for loop having initialization, termination and increment phases and body of the for loop. If I talking about this content like initialization, the initialization expression initializes the loop. It's executed once at the loop begins. If I seeing the termination, when the termination expression evaluates to false, the loop terminates. And increment part expression is invoked after each iterator through the loop. It is perfectly acceptable for this expression to increment or decrement a value. If I seeing the control flow of this for loop, then here our control flow will come here. First initialization part, it will initialize the value and after that it will check the condition. If our condition is false, then our loop will be break and our control flow come out of the loop. If our condition will be true, then it will come into the code of the block of the for loop and just increment the part and just return back into the condition until and unless our condition should true. If our condition will be false, then our control flow will out of this loop. If I take an example of for loop, then here we can see that here we have for loop and just initialize a value I is equal to 1 and just having a condition statement here I is less than 11 and here increment statement is there. Here in first flow, first our it will check I is less than 11, it will come into the body of the loop and it will execute I. Here we can see this for loop in Eclipse. Here we can see that this is our for demo class, and inside our demo class I am having a for loop and three conditions. First one is initialization phase and the second one is condition phase and third one is increment and decrement phase. Here our loop should be executed 10 times because I is 1 and it's less than 11. Then if we execute this piece of code, then here we can see the output here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 because our condition is I is less than 11, so it will execute only 10 times. Thank you for watching this video.